comes Bill Adams in the Boeing Stearman 450 flying an inverted pass. He managed to get up in the air while we were watching Brian Osgood perform. A lot of noise and smoke is the way Adams describes his plane. Pilots who have flown the Stearman with a 450 horsepower engine in it really love it. Inside to inverted flight. And then a half snap out of it. Originally, the Stearman had a 220 horsepower engine in it. Most pilots who fly aerobatics modify them with a 450 horsepower Pratt & Whitney to give them power enough to perform maneuvers like that. A hammerhead turn. Bill Adams performing